This is a behind the scenes in all that we've been getting up to. This is the studio setup, and I have been doing lots of soldering over the past couple of weeks, mainly soldering jump rings and then earring posts on as well. And I set up the pickle pot, so I was able to clean all of those. And this is the star sign pendant I made, and I also made some super simple stud earrings, and I think they look great. I also learned about Argentium silver and all of its properties. I had a sneak peek at the new laser engraver, but it's top secret and I can't talk about it. And then I borrowed lots of scrap gold from the scrap service. So it is so interesting what is scrapped in, and all of the things that I looked through were amazing. I then went and saw the degree show over the road at the Birmingham City University, and there were some absolutely great things that have been made.